Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers, and oh my gosh, things are really getting exciting on the olive oil front. So every day I'm going to go ahead and post a little update on how we're doing on the olive oil thing because donations are just rolling in and you guys are so generous. I'm so pleased and I really appreciate the support. So yesterday we were at 57, 55 I think. Today we are at 7623. You guys are rocking it. And I wanted to just shout out first names only because I know privacy is important, but I just wanted to shout out your first names and give you a real personal thank you from me. So you guys, you know who you are, so I'm going to read off your names and thank you personally. Pat and Allie, thank you guys. Jana, Patricia, Maggie, Greg, Igor and Becky, Tamara, Patrick, Jens, Jake, Janet, Carrie, Jen and Todd, Roberta, and then there's Paul and Leanne. Thank you guys. Anne, and then anonymous donor. Jim and Betty, Ross, Bonnie, Ken and Jen, Patrick. Let's see, I need to go to a different section here. Ken and Carrie, thanks you guys. Peter and another anonymous. Joellen, Nancy, Rosemary and Paul, Todd and Jen, another Nancy, Becky and Igor again, thanks you guys. Tom, Christine, Joe, Nora, Kylie, and another anonymous. And so I want to just thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. We're just doing so well. I talked to Antonella this morning. If I wanted to say he was over the moon, that would be an understatement. He is just so touched by the outpouring of support and love at Christmas with his little pet project here. I wanted to make him happy, and you guys have helped me make him happier probably than he's been in a long time. So anyway, we love Antonella. We're so happy to give this to the village, and I can't say enough words of gratitude to you guys. You're just the best. Thank you so much. Anyway, stay tuned for tomorrow. I'll give you another update. See you soon.